The Scorpion News is a public forum for student expression. Students make all content decisions, and opinions do not necessarily represent those of the HUSD.
Good morning, Scorpions! I'm your host, Damien Adams, bringing you this week's episode of Scorpion News. So, let's just jump into it. Halloween is next week, and students are encouraged to wear their costumes as long as they stay school appropriate, which means no mask, and the costume must abide by the dress code. Can't wait to see what you guys wear. Drama will be hosting the Addams Family Play at Oak Hills Thursday, November 1st, and Friday, November 2nd, at 2 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Tickets are available $10 at the door, but pre-tickets are also available and can be bought for $7 in the drama room. David Wish, who was playing Fester in the play, decided to catch up with the drama team and see what kinds of things go on inside a drama.
As you may or may not know, the Hesperia Drama Department is putting on their rendition of an Addams Family. So I went out there and asked them why they like drama.
My favorite part of drama is that we're able to communicate as each other and not see each other as not only, friends or people that we have to work with, but as a family.
Because at an early age, I was going through a lot of stuff, and I just saw drama as one of the things that really helped me in life. And, who doesn't like acting? We all do it, don't we?
I'm doing drama because it has everything that I always like to do. I love to sing la 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 la. I love to dance. And I love to act. How dare you! I would never go with someone with a bad haircut! That's why I like drama.
You can come see the Addams Family on November 1st through the 3rd.
Thanks, David, for that highlight. Looks like all the students love what they are doing, and can't wait to watch the play. Anti-Bullying Month is here, and HHS want to help you get involved in preventing bullying, so our peer students decided to make a small PSA about it.
Weak people put others down.
Strong people pick them up.
Your words have the power
To hurt or to heal.
Stop bullying. Speak out.
Step up so others don't get stepped on.
All it takes is
One voice.
My name is Elisa and I am a scorpion.
My name is Ashley and I'm a scorpion.
My name is Ashley and I am a scorpion.
My name is Carlos and I am a scorpion.
My name is Robert and I'm a scorpion.
My name is Alyssa and I am a scorpion. My name is Cassandra and I'm a scorpion.
My name is Kimberly and I am a scorpion.
My name is Arlette and I am a scorpion.
We are scorpions and we stand against bullying.
If you ever see or know anyone being bullied, don't just be a bystander. You should report it to an administration member. It could be a big help to someone and even save their life. In other news, Thanksgiving is rapidly approaching and HHS will be hosting their annual food basket drive. Clubs and classes who are interested in donating to a scorpion in need should sign up and put the Thanksgiving basket together with non-perishable foods only. Also, Fashion Club is hosting a clothing drive. All donations will go to the High Desert Homeless Shelter. Donations are to be dropped off in room P21 or S23. Sign-ups for the annual talent show are going on now through November 9th. If you have any special talent you would love to show off to the whole school, then feel free to sign up in the activities office. And not that many people know this, but I do sing pretty great. Someone give me a mic. Oh, thanks. Chocolate rain, some stay dry and others feel the pain. Chocolate rain. Speaking about special talents, our own Juan and Mikey decided to show off their basketball trick shot skills in this week's show.
Yo! What's up? We're Trick Shot Gods. Check this out. Nice. This was called the 360 spin, finger twist, in. Haha, this one's called the shoulder pop, shabba-dop. Oh, here's your food, sir. Wait a minute, this isn't mine. All right then, 3. This one's called the... Is anyone there? 3. I hate this game. Nice. Nice.
Nice. Hey, wait a minute. I'm pretty sure that their shot was a fake. But in real sports news, our tennis team is out competing in their MRL finals today. So let's wish them luck. And ladies, make sure to show them your sting. And good luck to our JV and varsity football team who go against Burroughs today and tomorrow. And to close off this week's broadcast, we want to show you something that affects humanity on a daily basis. Something that's very existence has made some men tremble and has led to the fall of even the strongest nations to ever exist. I'm of course talking about the handshake.
I don't do high fives. No thanks.
Next one.
Hey, my man, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah,
What's up, man?
What's up,
Hey, guys.